How to boost health using a swim spa at home. When you think of health and fitness, what comes to mind? While there are many ways to improve overall health, few are as fun as using a swim spa. Here's how to boost health using a swim spa. Optimize a healthy, strong heart. Physical activity is the key to maintaining a stronger, vibrant heart. A few minutes in the swim spa are all it takes to get the heart pumping. Even if you don't swim laps, simply splashing in the current can keep the heart performing as it should. The benefits of improved sleep. Restful sleep is crucial for optimal health, and taking steps to get great sleep can do wonders. Swimming a few laps before bed in the family swim spa is a practical way to use water therapy to induce deep, regenerative sleep. End the cycle of chronic pain. Pain that persists day after day takes a toll. The feeling of weightlessness you get in a swim spa takes the pressure off joints, reducing pain instantly. With anytime relief just seconds away, a swim spa makes it easy to end the cycle of chronic pain. So go ahead, take a swim. You deserve it. It's fast, fun, and relaxing. Not only that, it's good for the body, soothes the mind, and can improve your overall health and well-being. To learn more about the benefits of owning a swim spa, pick up a copy of our free Consumer's Guide to Buying a Swim Spa. Visit our website at www.backyardretreat.ca.